Hey guys, wow, over in the Discord, you guys have yet again blown my mind with Among Us submissions that you've made. There's some serious skills on display over there. I'll be showing you guys some of them at the end of this video, but I just wanted to say at this point, great work. There's some serious improvement going on too. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the Among Us Imposter. This one should go really well with my previous video, hence the timing. Let me know what you'd like me to draw in the comments down below. Don't worry, I am seeing your requests and I'll get to them soon for sure. Don't skip through this video, you're going to want to watch the whole thing because I do what I usually do and drop great tips throughout that you'll miss if you do skip. Also, don't forget to toss us a like and a subscribe if you enjoy the video. Let's go! So this one, I'm going to do a little bit more freehand than usual, just because I think it's a simple enough shape to get more or less right. What I think a good start is to get a rectangle down like this, quite wide and not very tall, and then you've got one near leg, just like on the normal crewmate one, a little bit longer than the other, like that. This one's nearer to us, so it looks a little bit longer. In actuality, they're the same size, but it's just a perspective thing. And then we want to have the jaws wide open like this. Big kind of shark jaws going on. And you want to draw, I guess what looks like the top half of an egg. If you crack an egg, you know, the top half of like a pill shape going around like this. And make sure it joins up here. And an extra little thing you can do here is add a little bump. And that's where the body kind of creases. You end it there. And watch what happens when I just kind of erase these bits that we don't need anymore. I get rid of this. And I get rid of this, and we have this really cool looking fold at the back of the body. And what is a good idea here is to add the backpack folded as well, just kind of sticking off the back of the body like this. Looks a bit like a bean. I end up drawing beans quite a lot, it seems. But here, again, it's kind of folded because the body's leaning right back to attack. We'll add a visor here, just kind of hanging off the top of the body here, just like in the crewmate one, and then we'll go for 3 teeth here, and they're basically sharp triangles sticking out the lips like this, 1, 2, and 3. And finally, the most deadly part of our character here, the imposter, we're going to add a big spike, make it nice and long, sticking right out, and again, bring this one in and taper it off as you get to the end, so you end in this very, very sharp spine, this very sharp point at the very end. So it's thicker down here as it emerges from the body, and it's very fine right there. And that should be all you need to do. The only difficult part is getting this fold right, but it should be just a case of drawing a little bump like this, and as you erase away the guidelines that we had a moment ago, it should be pretty clear. So I'm going to get this all finalized. You should do the same. I'll see you in just a sec. And there it is, pretty spooky actually, similar to last time but with a spiky twist. So here are some of the submissions since my last video that really impressed me. Stinger McQueen, the kind of caveman aesthetic going on here. I see the stitches, I see the bones, I see the skulls. I see this spiky bone as a weapon. That is such a good touch. And look at the little ducks. Look at these ducks. Why haven't they added a baby duck hat that you can have yet? Why haven't they done that? You should be working for them. Great work. Stinger McQueen, the balloon, is fantastic. I'm just in love with that. Can they kind of float away? That's such a cool idea. This is great. Lovely drawing. This one by Barrett Pro uses a really nice bright yellow, which I'm quite fond of, and some pretty good primary colours mixed in with some secondaries. I think what's going on is this really kind of colourful pair of shorts or trousers with a belt buckle as well. Nice design, great work, thank you. These by Ethan are really, really good. I actually absolutely love these. That cheese on the head, I love. That's a great touch. That's amazing. And the hockey mask one as well. These are all fantastic. Great job. Garfield made this one, and whether or not they like Mondays or love lasagna, I love the choices of green here. They kind of blend together really well. We've got like a minty green and a leaf green. And I love that funky backpack as well. That's a great touch. Another awesome one, thanks. Genesis has done these patterned ones. The colours and the blends, they're kind of blowing my mind. How did you come up with these? I mean, I do like orange. Orange is a pretty good colour, just saying. Great work. Absolutely love the contrast here. Bit of an ensemble going on here by GG8988. Everyone's pointing to just one person here. I wonder who did it. Is it by any chance the person closest to the body? Who knows? I love all the different costumes here. These are all fantastic. I especially love the little cowboy hat on the pink one sat on the black one's head. That's fantastic. I love this. Great work. Jodan's done like a ninja here, and I really like this one. It's a little bit to one side, but otherwise fantastic color choices. The bandana and the sword. Why is this not in the game yet? This is another one that just needs to exist. This is awesome. Parker, the detail on this one is amazing. I love that black and white kind of camo backpack. The hat it's stealing the show right now. Those orange and yellow stripes. It's like a beanie. It looks like it's got the kind of helicopter top as well, like they could just kind of fly away from something dangerous. Looking fantastic. Real Turbinator, I can't see how that helmet couldn't protect you from any imposters. Look at that thing. That is solid metal. Really nice choice. I love the patches on the jeans as well. Got a bit of a mix going on there. I really like this one. Rollwob, you're working on redoing the cover for Among Us. I love the colours that you've picked so far. I've never used Paint 3D, so in my opinion you're quite brave for choosing that one. Definitely not something I could give you a guiding hand in, but this is looking fantastic. Great work. Genesis, this absolutely blew me away when I saw this. This is basically a skin of the mascot for this show. This is the cyborg mascot. Look at that. They've got the joints going on, the steel. They've got the colours like pretty much bang on there. They've got a pencil as a weapon and the orange cape. I love this. That is absolutely amazing, Genesis. I really appreciate this one. This one is fantastic. Another one inspired by the channel with the colour scheme and the logo on the top, the pencil for a weapon, even dressed really nice in like a shirt and tie. It looks amazing. Thank you so much for this one. I love it. And that's it. I'm sorry if your drawing didn't quite make it to the video this time, but please don't be discouraged. Please try it again next time, and that does mean that I'm doing another drawing competition for my next video. Now, it is October. Halloween is right around the corner. It's just about 2 weeks away, and I want you to design your own monster. Make something completely fresh, completely new. Don't make it overly gruesome. I do have to fit within the YouTube algorithm, but go ahead and design something really cool, really menacing and scary. And as always, submit those to the Discord. And that's that for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment with what you'd like me to draw next. Until next time.